progress with the garage doors. Also a lot of progress with this. This was a 2-person job. Smaller garage doors all prepped up. These are bigger garage doors. Same deal, all prepped up. I think there's like 5 more down here. 2, 1, 2.
So I'm checking the fan on this, making sure it's a full, even fan all the way across. When the pressure's too low, you'll see 2 dots on the outside and they'll fade in, and then there'll be a solid fan in the middle. If ever you see that in any type of spraying situation, that means you gotta bring the pressure up. I happen to know that this is good. So, yep, you got the right idea. Yeah, let me see that real quick. So we're just using this to grab any like chunks of dirt. It's going to be important to get this wiped off too. It was sticky when you did it, and so there's probably a little bit of like crumbs that may blow off with the pressure of the fan. That's good. First you're going to spray the window, kind of some angle to it. You go with the angle. There's an outside piece. And then we're going to spray the edges. So it's like outside edges, inside edges. That pretty much applies all the time when you're spraying. When you're painting, you're painting the window trim, you paint the outside edge, you paint the inside component, and you paint the outside flat last. Because it's a big piece, it can come across this way, or you can go this way with it. On the next coat, you're going to go the opposite way just to make sure we cross hatch it. So that's the first coat of primer. There's obviously little speckles, something like that. To me, this piece right here is like hydrophobic. That's kind of strange because this primer is a bonding primer. It's the only primer that should prevent this. I think though, spray it again and it'll be fine.
Alright, this is the color we're using.
I think it's pretty. It's like a forest green.
Here the doors are prepped up before the spray. Gonna be applying 2 coats. Yeah, this looks real good.
I feel like it's a little heavy in like some of these corners here, but that's really it.
Let's see how it looks when it dries, because it all has to shrink down and lose
Yeah,
millage.
and also Connor says that the corners let it expand.
Yeah.
Like I don't know, the corners disperse it better.
Looks good.
Thank you.